I have arrived. I cannot wait to get in there. If you guys remember, a while back, maybe a month or so ago, I went to this antique mall and I ended up spending like $500 and 4.5 hours, which for me is like really hard to do. I have gone back and I'm so excited. So let's go in. I have 3.5 hours to shop, which anywhere else I would be like, that's way too much time for me because I'm usually in and out. However, this place is different. Oh, look at this little Pinocchio doll. Well, I guess he's not so little. He's pretty fantastic. I know I've had $6. What? He's fantastic. For $6, I think he needs a home. I've barely walked in and I've already picked up my first item. I also noticed the cow creamer. Now, this one is even better because it says have a happy day. However, at $10, it's a little bit more than I'd like to spend. If there was like a 20% discount, I'm looking for the sign, which there's none, then I would probably pick it up. I don't sell those for top dollar, although if I were to sell one for more, it would definitely be the have a happy day one. And I do love those earrings. However, I'm trying to stay away from earrings because they just didn't sell that well for me the few times I picked them up, and I picked up some epic pairs. I'm into this bottle. That soldier doll is amazing at $165. I'm trying to focus. Yeah, look at that. That's amazing. Now, I'm just seeing that this says $10. For some reason, I thought it was way more than that the last time I was here. I think this is the sweetest thing ever. I feel like I looked it up and I regretted leaving it. And sure enough, vintage children's 1950s children dresses sold for well more than that. Although I'm still on the fence about picking it up. No one really said anything to me the last time I left it, even though I regretted it. What is this? Interesting. And then what's this mushroom? It's lacquered mushroom? Russian mushroom bank. That's neat. Yeah, that children's dress is probably something I'd keep. That's probably why I like it so much. I don't need it though. I already have like the most amazing vintage ballerina outfit, costume or whatever on one of my child mannequins, and it's too big for my other one. I love children mannequins. I know that's weird. This bag, that's kind of neat. Funky, it's got even fringe. 1970s hippie bag. Oh, that's cool. It's a little bit more than I'd like to spend for resale though. I'm like kind of into this yellow necklace. Gosh, I love this place. Oh my gosh. Look at that. That's wild. My basket barely fits in here. Hold on. Let me rearrange myself. That's neat. The swan thing. Victorian window screen. That's cool. Whoa, now this is what we like to see. Look at Elvis. That's neat. Viking glass, $25. The prices on the vases are not as cheap. Wow, this place is so cool. I love all the variety they have here. What's going on over here? Looks like Madame Alexander dolls, perhaps? Ginny? Little Easter plastics. She's missing some parts there. So cute though. Glass mushroom. 24. Oh, and the Fenton Redbird. Not really my thing, but the prices are so good here that I gotta check everything. Oh, look, here's one of the little Cameo Creations. $7. These have been hit or miss for me, honestly. Kind of want to get it. It's very sweet, but I have two that have yet to sell. If they had sold, I would have. I love the ones with the portrait. What is this neat piece of glass? These are always overpriced when I see them. How much is it here? $10. Yeah, that's more like it. Plumpy doll. $10. The discount doesn't apply because it's not over 20. I feel like I should get that, but I might pass, actually. I don't know. This is not my favorite style. There's a lot going on back here. I'm not seeing anything that pops up to me though. That's nice. See a couple things that I like, but they all have chips. Salt and pepper shakers, pipes. The clocks are kind of neat, aren't they? Oh my gosh, and they're plastic. How cool are they? Huh. $10. Oh, that's a little bit more than I'd like to spend. Another one of the hat ones. I just had this. Look at this planter. That's fantastic. I've never seen that one. It's only 15. I don't see a discount though. It's a little bit more than I'd like to spend on it. What about in here? I see a lot of sets that I've had recently, honestly, that I would normally pick up if I hadn't just had them. Oh, and of course, this $30 handy flame. I've had that before too. Oh my gosh. Oh, it's for the whole case. That stinks because all I want is the pink one that says Edna on it. That one's fantastic. But the little luster cat, that's only $5. Should I pick that up? Probably wouldn't sell for that much, but people do love cats. I love my cats. But I'm kind of holding out. I'm holding out for something that makes me go, oh my gosh, I can't not put that in my basket. If I remember correctly, it's these aisles that we got into the most trouble in the last time. I'm gonna do the same thing I did and start at the way back and work my way towards the front. But along the way, I had to stop. $6.95, that's so cute. All right, I'm gonna pass this booth. I wanna keep it orderly. Just because I'm so weird about going out of order. Once I've done an antique mall a certain way, I can never undo it. And of course, there's all our feathered friends. Ooh, this is cool. Frosted glass with the hand-painted parrot. Oh my gosh, it's really heavy. I was not expecting that. I was expecting a little bit of a thinner glass. Plastics, plastics, plastics. Okay, I'm putting my basket down. Let's start at this end and work our way over. The discount is 30%, which is awesome. This is fun. Oh, I love it. And then they have all these, what are these, sherbet egg cups? No, they're sherbet, I'm assuming. Bohemian Glass, I've been paying like next to nothing for this, 14, even with the discounts, a little bit more than I'd like to spend. That duck is still there. I kind of love him still. Ooh, beaded flowers. Let's see. Oh my gosh, I might need to put my camera down to do this. Yeah, hold on. Aha, so this one's $7 for the pair. We're gonna grab that for sure. Now, do I regret leaving the big sunflowers? Not really. Do I kind of wish I had picked them up? Yeah. So this almost makes up for it. Here's another one of those 30% off booths. These are so much fun. They have such great stuff in here. They have a bunch of booths around the mall. Oh my gosh, are these new old stock? Oh, how sweet. $6.50 new old stock with the little rhinestones. I love finding vintage hair clips. What's this one? Is these earrings though? Yeah, those are earrings. See, I would pick those up if I had had a different experience with earrings. I will say I've been going through this place a lot quicker than I did last time. I got that set from my dad, Toledo, and I have this one that's been sitting. I don't have the girl. Mine has a little bit of paint loss. What about the little Irwin dolls? 26 for the pair, so 13 each. That's pretty close to what I get for those after fees. Now, last time I was here, I like cleaned this booth out. They have such great stuff and such great prices. I'm a little overwhelmed right now. Let's see. Oh my gosh, look at this piggy bank. $12. That looks like Knickerbocker too. Is it? It is. For $12. His glasses are glued on. But I'm like, come on. We have to, right? I have to look up a comp on that one, actually. Let me not get carried away. What about the little Fenton Base? That's only 10. Oh, and it's signed. That's nice, too. Let's see. I'm going to look up a comp on that Knickerbocker pig. Yeah, stuff like that used to sell for a lot, but... Oh, I love the bagpipe girl. But it really has been kind of sitting recently. Now, these little bisque shelf sitters here caught my attention. $3. Sold. Japan. Occupied Japan, even. I'm gonna get all of them. Yeah, those are cute. I don't even think I've seen those before. Yeah, get all 3. And I'm weirdly into this glass apple. That's only $8. I'm not sure how I feel about taking that on the road with me, though. Oh my gosh, look at this. That is too cute. I love these dresses. I would wear all of these in real life. Oh my gosh, this one. Oh, well, it looks like I need a key already, because I'm gonna get those daisy pins. It's 3 for $9. I'm also into the gold wiener dog. This is where I got that monkey muff last time. This lady had really neat stuff. Oh my gosh, look at this. Antique end of day pottery. I'm unfamiliar with it. I'm kind of into it though. It's a little bit more than I'd like to spend. Is this Rose Lane or Napco? Rose Lane, $4. Sold. And I love the his and hers mug. Little slag glass. What are these? These are cool. Cubes. Into that. Look at this little celluloid sailor. $8. He's a little rough. He's a little scary looking too. I might not be the biggest Donald Duck person, but I know enough to know that this is worth well more than $2. Sold. After all these years of going to antique malls, it finally just occurred to me to write the name of the booth down. So when somebody comes by, I can tell them what the name is instead of there's a case somewhere. This is Relpo, $6. Any chips or cracks? Doesn't look like it. For $6, we're gonna get that. That's amazing. Super fun. All right, and let's see. No ifs, ands, only buts. $7. That's really fun. I kind of like that. Oh my gosh, wait, stop. Look at this. I didn't want to make you guys dizzy. Okay, look. Oh my gosh, $12. Okay, so the last one I bought of these didn't sell as ones in past. However, this one is a butterfly and it's green gingham and it's awesome. I don't think I've actually ever seen the butterfly for like under $36 out and about in the wild. So I'm gonna grab it. And what in the world is this thing? Interesting. Very interesting. And I love the overlay Ormolu bottle. $35, that's about what I'd sell that for too. Oh my gosh. Vintage space themed glasses. $4 sold. Wow, I have never seen these actually. They're I don't want to like make things up, but I feel like they're probably worth a good amount. Well, I was originally looking at the little stiff duck, but there's no way I would get rid of that if I bought that. And it's a little close for resale. What about this fish? The prices here are so good. Love the fish. But the other thing that caught my eye, which I remember, is the parrot sell for more. And that parrot looks particularly older. And that one's $42, right? Yeah, $42 and 20% off, which I feel like is a really good deal. Yeah, it comes to $33. I think I might actually look at that because it's definitely an older one. Older than the one I think I've seen last too. I'm also very partial to the kangaroo. Well, I know I could make money on this stiff parrot, but probably not as much as I'd like to front that much. $33. So I'm gonna keep going here. Love the shape of that. That is awesome. It's a heavy one. $8. Well, we're right next to the booth I was trying to go to. This is another plastic Santa pin, Hong Kong. Ooh, oh my gosh. And this is very much so older. Look at the back on that. I don't know if you can tell. I'm just gonna make sure it closes properly. It does. $9 and 30% off sold. Let's see what else we can find in here. They're all Christmas themed here. This one is kind of fun with the rhinestones. Ho, ho, ho. It's different. I kind of want to get it. Let's see. I'm kind of distracted by what's going to happen when I get right there, though.